Express 6 cos theta plus 8 sin theta in the form of r cos theta minus alpha, where r is greater than 0 and alpha lies between 0 and pi over 2. Give the value of alpha to 3 decimal places. P of theta is equal to this, for theta between 0 and 2 pi. Calculate the maximum value of p theta, the value of theta at which the maximum occurs. Okay, so let's have a look at this then. Right, so r cos, so here, so part A, here, 6 cosine theta plus 8 sine theta is equal to this, which we can write as r cosine theta cos alpha plus r sine theta sine alpha. So r cos theta, r cos alpha rather, is equal to 6, and r sine alpha is equal to 8. That's 2. Square both sides and add them, you get r squared equals, if you square this and add them, you'll get sine squared plus cos squared, which is 1. Lot of r squared is 6 squared plus 8 squared, which is 100. 36 plus 64 is 100. Square root 100, you get r is equal to 10. So r is 10. And also, we see that sine over cos then, tan alpha then, is equal to 8 over 6, which equals 4 over 3. So that tells us that alpha is equal to, now we need to be in degrees mode, number 3, and we need to do shift tan 4/3, inverse tan of 4 divided by 3. It's an acute angle, 53.130. 53.130 degrees, and that was to 3 decimal places, wasn't it? Okay, so there's alpha. And we've done alpha to 3dp. P theta is equal to this, the maximum value of p theta. So here, part B, here, p of theta is equal to 4 over, and it was the thing we had, wasn't it? 12 plus 6 plus 8, and we've done 6 plus 8, so it's just 12 plus this r cos theta minus alpha. 12 plus r, which is 10, cos theta minus 53.130 degrees. So that's p theta, so the maximum value, let's just look at the question again. Okay, the maximum value, so what do we get then? P theta is max, when 10, this thing here is, when 12 plus 10 is least. So when is this least? It would be least when this is cos is minus 1, because theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, so cos will attain a value of minus 1. 12 minus 10 is 2. 4 over 2, which equals 2. Because it's, I'm going to put 12 minus 10 here. That would be 2 here, 4 over 2, just a little bit of workings here. Okay, that's part 1. That's clear. The value of theta, which the maximum occurs, part 2. Here, cosine theta minus 53.130 degrees is equal to minus 1. implies that theta minus 53.130 degrees is equal to 180, isn't it? Cos of 180 is minus 1, so that tells us what a value of theta could be. Move that over, it's 233. 130 degrees. And it just said a value of theta, didn't it, in the question? The value of theta. So we found that value. 233.130, and that was the 3 decimal places. Just look through the work, double check the question, and it actually asks for the solutions for alpha and the problems in radians, isn't it? And I managed to write it in degrees. So I'm just going to go through the question itself rather than rewrite it completely and just change these answers to radians. So we've got that in there. So if we do shift mode and do 4, 0.927 we get for this number here in radians. So that was 0.927 radians. Okay, p theta is that, max when that's true, and this would be 0.927 here, so I'm just going to put that in. 0.927, and this would be pi, wouldn't it? Pi, and then it's pi plus 0.927, so I'm going to add pi to that, plus pi equals 4.068, 4.069, so we've got 4.069 here. And that's the 3dp, and that was radians as well. So just reread the question at the end, double check I haven't made a mistake, which I did in this question, and then make the corrections that are needed.